Good morning. This is my first class. Well, as the first class, we're going to talk about the 6-foot ruler. Now, I know everybody uses a measuring tape, and you want to use a measuring tape. It's an excellent device. You're going to always want to keep that on you. But a 6-foot ruler will give you more precise measurements. Let's use, for example, okay, so you have a 6-foot ruler. Here we go. And it has a little extension piece to give you a little accuracy on certain items. So let's say you want to cut a 3-inch piece of copper. You can set this to 3 inches, okay? And you go like this. So this will give you the 3 inches right there. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but you just put that on there just like that, and that gives you an accurate 3-inch piece. You can go and get as low as 2 7/8, 2 1/4, 2 and all these exact measurements just by using this little extension. Now the ruler itself is good because you can do 90s, so you can lay that on the floor and do a 90. You can do 45s like this. That's a 45. Now see, there's a square, so your 45 would be the same. If you put this in here, this would be the same 45-degree angle if I can get it in here. Okay, so there's a 45-degree angle using a ruler or using the tape measure. But the tape measure, this 6-foot ruler, which I'll show you on my next video, is about carrying it in easy access in your pocket. Now, as a plumber, I just use this all the time, especially in new work. Now, when you're doing commercial work, that's commercial work. When you're doing maintenance, you don't necessarily need this all the time as a 6-foot ruler. But these are fabulous. You can get your lanes, you can see how high, if you're going to go, measure up high. You want to get a measurement from the ceiling down and you mark it on the wall. So these are much easier to carry, and they'll get ruined just like anything else over time, but they're a nice rigid device. You can keep them for a long time. They're just generally all purpose. Now, they sell these still, as they say, as a master plumber, and you want these very much so. Now, one thing I did not do, I did not include this tool in my book, but there's my book, Commercial Plumbing Maintenance. There's many other tools in this book that you're going to find interesting, that you're going to use throughout your career, either commercial or residential or maintenance, and that's what this is about. So this is written by me. You'll love it. It's on Amazon.com, $24.99. You want to buy it. Have a great day. Till the next video.